Hello dear students, welcome to my channel. In this episode, we are going to discuss properties of triangles, the first exercise. In this episode, very important questions we are going to discuss which are regularly they are asking in public examinations. So, let us have a discussion in the first question. If sine theta equal to a by b plus c, then show that cos theta equal to 2 root of bc by b plus c into cos a by 2. So how it is? Given sin theta, calculate the value of cos theta. So first given sin theta equal to a by b plus c. After that, we know that cos theta value in terms of sine. We have cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. So now substitute in place of sin theta a by b plus c. So cos square theta equal to 1 minus a by b plus c whole square. Now simplifying 1 minus a square by b plus c whole square. So after taking LCM, b plus c whole square minus a square divided by b plus c whole square. This is the value of cos square theta. Now which is equal to numerator in the form of a square minus b square. No, we can write it as a plus b into a minus b. If you don't want to apply that formula, so instead of that, what we have to do is expanding b plus c whole square, and from cosine rules a square values are there now separately. So we can write these values. B plus c whole square is b square plus c square plus 2bc minus, in place of a square we have formula b square plus c square minus 2bc cos a. This is the formula for small a square from cosine rule, divided by b plus c whole square. Now one by one we can simplify the steps, which is equal to b square plus c square plus 2bc minus b square minus c square plus 2bc cos a divided by b plus c whole square. So plus b square minus b square plus c square minus c square get cancelled. After that, 2bc take common from these two terms. So now cos square theta equal to 2bc plus 2bc cos a divided by b plus c whole square. 2bc take common, 2bc into 1 plus cos a divided by b plus c whole square. We know that 2bc by b plus c whole square, 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2. That means 2 cos square a by 2. We know that formula. 1 plus cos a equal to 2 cos square a by 2. So here cos square theta equal to, so I want cos theta, no? So cos theta equal to square root of this complete one. 2 into 2 is 4, bc cos square a by 2 divided by b plus c whole square. So 4 we can take outside of the root, it will become as 2 bc, root bc. Here cos square a by 2, root is there, root and square will be cancelled. Even denominator b plus c whole square, also root and square will be cancelled by b plus c into cos a by 2. Therefore cos theta equal to 2 root bc by b plus c into cos a by 2. Hence we got the result of cos theta. The next question, if a equal to b plus c into cos theta, then prove that sin theta equal to 2 root bc by b plus c into cos a by 2. Like previous problem only, here cos theta you can take and find the value of sin theta. So what are first given? Given a equal to b plus c into cos theta. From that cos theta make as a subject. So cos theta equal to a by b plus c. After getting the value of cos theta, sin theta they are asking. We have or we know that sin theta equal to sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So in place of cos theta substitute this value 1 minus a by b plus c whole square, which is equal to 1 minus a square by b plus c whole square. After b plus c whole square, taking LCM, b plus c whole square minus a square. So which is equal to b plus c whole square, b square plus c square plus 2bc minus, keep bracket and write the formula for a square from cosine rule. A square equal to b square plus c square minus 2bc into cos a divided by b plus c whole square. Now simplify. B square plus c square plus 2bc minus b square minus c square plus 2bc cos a whole divided by b plus c whole square plus b square minus b square plus c square minus c square, which is equal to 2bc plus 2bc cos a divided by b plus c whole square. So take common 2bc from here. 2bc into 1 plus cos a divided by b plus c whole square. In the previous problem we discussed direct here, from there 1 plus cos a I wrote as 2 cos square a by 2. Here also we will do same, but directly here I am taking square root. So sin theta is equal to square root of 2bc by b plus c whole square. 1 plus cos a can be written as 2 into cos square a by 2. 2 into 2, 4. 4 we can take outside of the root, it will become as 2 root bc. Here square root cancel, we will get as b plus c into here also square and root will be cancelled, cos a by 2. Therefore sin theta equal to 2 root bc divided by b plus c into cos a by 2. Once again I will show this. The next question. For any angle theta in triangle ABC, show that A cos theta equal to B into cos of C plus theta plus C into cos of B minus theta. So now consider RHS. Here from RHS we are going to prove LHS. In reverse way we are going to do now. Consider RHS. What is RHS here? B into cos of C plus theta plus C into cos of B minus theta, which is equal to B into, keep bracket, cos of A plus B formula, cos of C plus theta, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So cos of C plus theta is cos C into cos theta minus sin C into sin theta plus C into, keep bracket, cos of B minus theta. So cos of A minus B is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So by using similar formula, cos B into cos theta plus sin B into sin theta. So now actual multiplication here you have to do that. B into cos C into cos theta minus B into sin C into sin theta plus C into cos B into cos theta plus C into sin B into sin theta. After that, from first and third, from first as well as third, we have to take common cos theta, and from second and fourth take common sin theta. This is the only turning step for this problem. Observe carefully. Now I am taking common cos theta from first and third. So if you take out common cos theta from first and third, so it will become cos theta into B cos C plus, after taking common, C cos B. From these two, you have to take common sin theta. So sin theta, if you take out common, the remaining terms minus B sin C plus C sin B. So from projection rule, B cos C plus C cos B will become small a. So cos theta into small a, this value, plus sin theta into, by using sin rule, B equal to 2r sin B. So minus 2r sin B into sin C plus, in place of small c, 2r sin C from sin rule into sin B. Observe both the bracket values. 2r sin B sin C minus 2r sin B sin C. Both will be cancelled. So both will be cancelled means 0. 0 into anything is 0. So we will get A into cos theta, which is required LHS only, no? So hence proved the LHS. This is the way we have to prove that the answer. The next question. If the angles of triangle ABC are in AP and small b is to c equal to root 3 is to root 2, then show that angle A equal to 75 degrees. Given that in the answer, given that the angles in triangle means capital A comma capital B comma capital C are in AP. So whenever angles are in AP, we know that twice of the middle equal to sum of the extremities. So 2B equal to A plus C. Here what I am doing is, we know that in triangle ABC, A plus B plus C is equal to 180, no? So here B is not there. Adding B on both sides. So 2B plus B is equal to A plus B plus C. We are adding B on both sides. So 2B plus B is 3B, which is equal to, we know that A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. Is it right? Since in triangle ABC, A plus B plus C is 180. After that, so B is equal to 60 degrees. We got the value of B. After getting the value of B, the given one condition, B is to C is equal to, so given one more condition, since small b is to small c is equal to root 3 is to root 2, that means they are in proportional. So we can write it as b by root 3, which is equal to c by root 2, which is equal to some k. We are assuming that, say that we can assume that k. So by equating these two, we will get the values of b and c. Small b is equal to k into root 3 and small c is equal to k into root 2. These are the values of sides of the triangle B and C respectively. After getting of these values, by using sine rule, here B and C only there, no? So I have to apply only sine B and C related sine rule. B by sine B equal to C by sine C. Even if you want to write, you can write as small a by sine A also. Nothing will happen. But here B and C is there, no? That is the reason you have to consider only these two. You have to consider only these two. In place of B, substitute k root 3 divided by B value we got in 60. Sine 60 equal to small c. C value is k root 2 divided by sine c. We don't know c value. So on both sides kk get cancelled. And root 3 divided by sine 60. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2 only, no? Is equal to root 2 divided by sine c. So here root 3 get cancelled. Denominator of a denominator, it will become numerator. So we can get it as 2 equal to root 2 by sine c, cross multiplying. Sine c is equal to, just you have to interchange 2, we can take this side, root 2 by 2. This also can be written as 1 by root 2. Why? Because root 2 times is going to get cancelled. Sine c is equal to 1 by root 2. For what angle it will become 1 by root 2? Sine pi by 4 or sine 45. So sine c is equal to sine 45. C is equal to 45. They are asking to calculate A value, no? B value we got it, C value we got it. We have, or we know that A plus B plus C is equal to 180. So A value we required and B value is 60 and C value is 45 equal to 180. So A is equal to 180 minus 105. So A equal to 75 degrees. They are asking to calculate They are asking to prove A is equal to 75. Hence, proved. Hence, the result. Thank you all of you. Thank you dear students for watching my channel. Please do subscribe and share to your friends and relatives. By the next video, we are going to finish the first exercise problems in properties of triangles. After that, we will enter into the in radius and small r, one or two or three. That values we will discuss in the next videos. Thank you all. The next question. If A equal to B minus C into secant theta, prove that tan theta equal to 2 root BC by B minus C into sin A. See here, given A equal to B minus C into secant theta. So from this secant theta make as a subject. So secant theta equal to A divided by B minus C. After getting the value of secant theta, they are asking to prove the value of tan theta, no? So you can write the tan theta value in terms of secant. We have secant theta, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So from that, tan square theta equal to secant square theta minus 1. So we have secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. From that we want tan theta, no? So tan square theta make as a subject. Minus tan square theta we can take this side. So it will become tan square theta equal to secant square theta minus 1. So tan theta equal to square root of secant square theta minus 1. In place of secant square theta, this value we have to replace. Square root of A by B minus C whole square minus 1. So now simplifying, square root of A square by B minus C whole square minus 1. So square root of B minus C whole square is the LCM. A square minus B minus C whole square. Now we have formula A square from cosine rule. So what we have to do? Square root of, in place of A square, B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A minus B minus C whole square expansion. B square plus C square minus 2BC bracket close divided by B minus C whole square. Square root cancel for the denominator. So in denominator value will become as B minus C. And in the numerator, B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A. Each and every time multiplying by minus, we will get it is minus B square minus C square plus 2BC. So here plus B square minus B square plus C square minus C square get cancelled. So next step, tan theta equal to square root of 2BC, first positive term I am writing 2BC here, minus 2BC cos A divided by B minus C. Now tan theta equal to square root of 2BC, take common, 1 minus cos A divided by B minus C. So which is equal to root of 2bc. In place of 1 minus cos a, 2 sin square a by 2 whole divided by b minus c. 2 into 2, 4. We can take outside of the root. It will become as 4 to root bc. Root square cancel, sin a by 2 by b minus c. Therefore, tan theta equal to 2 root bc divided by b minus c into sin a by 2. Very important for 4 marks question in properties of triangles. Thank you very much. Hence proved. Thank you dear students for watching my channel. Please do subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you all.